went on a little drive as a family in the Bronco since I got it all put back together, and went on a little hike. We're out north of Whitman, Arizona, in between Wickenburg and Surprise. Pretty fun little drive. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and we're just walking in a wash because apparently in southern Arizona there's nowhere to hike unless you're in a wash, otherwise you're getting stabbed by stuff. So anyways, it's fun going with the family. There's Anna and Shelby, and Haley's back there. Say hi.
Hi. We're watching.
Yep. You having so much fun, Haley?
This one's having fun.
So, anyways, when we get back to the Bronco, we'll get a little shot of the Bronco and all of its majesty. There's Haley and the Bronco, looking so funky fresh against the setting sun. I really like that the tires turned out alright. They gave it a completely different look, but anyways, that's it.
Daddy, welcome to my Bronco.
Oh, it's your Bronco now.
Uh-huh. She claims it.
Is it your Bronco, Haley?
Yeah. Dad,
Alright. There's their Arizona landscape. Well, it's a little bit dark, but we're on our way home. Running good. Bronco's had a few hiccups recently, and I've been working some kinks out, but it's running good right now, which is a good sign because we were pretty far out here. Haley, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Did you have a good... You're in your car seat, huh? Did you go on a good hike? Yep. Alrighty. That's all for now. It's probably gonna get pretty loud here in just a second. So, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a summary. Thanks for watching the saga. It was a lot of work, but I think it turned out pretty well. It's all one color just like I wanted it, and I think the quality actually turned out pretty well as well. Just recorded this a little bit to show you guys why we have the Bronco. It's big enough to carry the family and able to get us some places that normally we wouldn't be able to go in a car. You know, sort of the look tough and carries our stuff sort of mentality. And yeah, just give you guys a little bit of a insight what we do with the Bronco and why we have it.